Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to hide wallet on bitcoin.com. To hide a specific wallet on bitcoin.com is a super easy process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, tap open bitcoin.com app on your mobile device and sign in. Once you're signed into your account, go ahead and tap on the Funds button at the bottom. Once you open up Funds interface, go ahead and select a wallet that you want to edit or hide. After choosing a wallet, tap the three dots at the top right corner from your wallet interface. Now you will be able to see your wallet's details such as its name, color, and other options on the page. Simply go ahead and toggle on the button right next to Hide Balances in order to hide your balance for this specific wallet. So that is how it's easily done. You can easily hide your wallet by following these steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.